Hello everyone, I'm Pratisha and I'm making this video on the topic manufacturing and making India, a country of 1.4 billion people, has the potential to become a global manufacturing powerhouse. In 2014, the government launched Make in India transform the sector, create jobs and boost exports. But why hasn't India become the next China? What's stopping us and what is being done to fix it? Well, let's break it down. So, starting with what's holding Indian manufacturing back. Yes, India contributes just 17% of its GDP from manufacturing, while China is at 28%. Why? Here's what's holding us back: big infrastructure. Bad roads, congested ports, and unreliable power supply mean higher costs and delays for manufacturers. Complex regulations. Starting and running a factory in India means dealing with tons of red tape licenses, approvals, and compliance headaches. Skilled workforce shortage. India has labor, but not enough workers trained in modern manufacturing skills. Import dependence. From electronics to semiconductors, we rely heavily on imports, making industries vulnerable to global disruptions. Slow tech adoption. While the world moves towards automation and AI driven production, India still lags in advanced manufacturing technology. Well, the big question still remains: can India overcome these hurdles? Let's find out. So, what's being done? The government didn't sit back, it introduced a series of game changing reforms to boost manufacturing. First, production linked incentives, the PLI scheme, offers rupees 1.97 lakh crore in incentives to boost electronics, pharma, and auto manufacturing. Second is labor law reforms. It merged 29 laws into four simple labor codes and making hiring and compliance easier. National Infrastructure Pipeline, investing rupees 111 lakh crore to upgrade highways, ports, and industrial corridors. The next is Atmanirbhar Bharat, push for self-reliance, encouraging domestic production of key goods like defense equipment and semiconductors. Ease of doing business reforms. India jumped from 142nd to 63rd in the global rankings by cutting red tape and digitizing approvals. These steps are making a difference. But is it enough? Well, why isn't it fast enough? Sounds great, right? But implementation remains a challenge. Here's why: bureaucratic delays. Despite reforms, getting land, licenses, and permits is still slow. MSME struggles. Small manufacturers face high interest loans and lack easy access to capital. Global competition. China and Vietnam offer cheap production cost and better logistics, making it harder for India to compete. Supply chain gaps. COVID 19 exposed India's heavy reliance on imports for essential components like chips and machinery. Land acquisition issues. Setting up new factories takes years due to land disputes and clearance delays. Well, can India become a global manufacturing hub? So the future is bright, but India must act fast. Here's what is needed: faster policy implementation to cut red tape and speed up industrial projects, skilling the workforce with AI, robotics, and automation training, stronger domestic supply chain to reduce import dependency and ensure resilience, more foreign direct investment by offering global investors better incentives. The world is watching. Will India seize this moment to become a manufacturing superpower? With the right policies and execution, the answer is yes. The question is how soon? Well, I guess that we will need to figure it out, and the government is taking appropriate steps. So, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.